Nigon makes a mess of his start and drops down to 4th place behind Jambert, De Coster and Forêt. It was an intense send-off, as was the opening lap. There's little in it between the top three, while Nigon loses ground. He's under pressure in these early minutes of the race, and his rivals are not about to make it easy for him. Meanwhile, Jambert is charging hard, completing the opening lap, and we'll let you enjoy lap 1 with some pretty nifty onboard camera footage. The race is well and truly on, with Jambert in the lead ahead of De Coster and Forêt, who's off to a very strong start. Nigon trails in 4th place ahead of the 38 Kawasaki of Greg Leblanc. Nigon soon overtakes Forêt and begins to close in on the leaders. He knows he can't let Jambert get too far away from him and cut into his championship lead. Nigon next gets past De Coster, but De Coster answers right back, proving the Kawasaki can match the pace of the BMW, and he retakes 2nd position. But 2 laps later, Nigon gets by for good, and he can set his sights on race leader Sébastien Jambert. A bit further back, it's Leblanc, Dietrich and Napoleon who lead the chase group, and it must be noted that Napoleon is riding an excellent race aboard his new Kawasaki. Nigon has caught the leader Jambert, but he can't get by his teammate, who's determined to take the win. And he does it at the end of what's been a fantastic race, with De Coster 3rd ahead of Dietrich, who takes his best result to date on his powerful but difficult to ride BMW.